Well, welcome, and I'm really excited to be able to show you what we have in terms of pilot. We are going to use the Deepwater Horizon case about the oil spill in the Gulf. And basically what we're showing now with our strategic AI search is that we're going well beyond what you can do with traditional keyword search. So this is your traditional, browse, and you can go in here and you can search like deposition, and then you get your results. But now on pilot, you can go in and you can ask something like, who are being deposed? And then it will go into this case. There's about 8,000 documents, but it could be 80,000, it could be 800,000, doesn't matter. I'll take the same amount of time and then find out who are the people that are being deposed in this case. Things that would be very difficult to do with the traditional keyword search. Let's run that. It's staying within the four corners of the case. If you asked a question like, who are the 11th president of the US, it would come back and say, there's no information about that in this case. So you're reducing the odds of hallucinations significantly by only looking at the documents in the case. So here we are, came back with a list of 11 people, and then everything is grounded. So you have links back. If I click on this one, we'll go to the document viewer, and then it will pull up the document that it used to determine some of these names. I can then go and I say, this one here is really interesting. Let me ask a question and get more information about this person. So get more information about this person here. And again, I'm keeping it somewhat vague just to show the power of strategic AI search. It's able to go in and find information about this particular person. And then depending on what comes back, you can again, do additional searching up for that and just recursively do more and more searches. You saw this one took 16 seconds. We're able to do much more detailed finding of facts. So we can do entire reports as a result. So for example, here, I have a prompt that asks for information about negative pressure testing. It ran in 2 minutes and 10 seconds because we turned on the strategic insight. And for that, it generates a full report that would have taken, hours or days to generate. And again, it's fully within the four corners of the case and it's fully grounded. But take a look at this. Starts out with the executive summary. It's nicely formatted, technical background, chronology of event. It shows the days leading up to the accident. And then on the day of the accident, you're getting it hour by hour of what happened. Procedural failures. We're getting the full information about the finding of facts for the Deepwater Horizon case. And then if you find something that is of a particular interest, like who got deposed or what did they say or the timeline, again, you can go and ask additional information about that. So it's incredibly efficient for finding of facts, things you can't easily do with keyword search. It's very strategic. You could have your opening arguments. You can test them here and say if they make sense to see if there's some ways to improve them. You can have it do a draft of opening arguments and say what's interesting. It will either be more technical or more, emotional. There's so many ways to use this. It's an incredibly powerful tool. And I think that it just has such great potential to go well above our traditional keyword search. Very excited to have it. Look forward to seeing how our users will use it, and it will be included with our standard offering. So a lot of power. Very excited to have it. Thank you.